Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to copy text from websites that don't allow copying. As you can see, I can't copy the text on this website. Copy the link from the description below and open it. Install the extension. Now reload the website. You can now copy the text from the website. That's it. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.